Welcome. I'm going to walk you through a setup for your KDP book cover. We're in the KDP Calculator. You can Google that if you can't find it. It's in the Kindle Direct Publishing. My binding type is going to be paperback. Interior type is going to be black and white. White paper for the paper type. Reading direction left to right. Measurement units inches. Interior trim size is going to be 8.5 by 11. 81 pages is the page count. And then we press the yellow Calculate Dimensions button. The width and height are at the top, 17.432 and 11.25. And then we press the Download Template button. Okay, now we're back in Canva. And we're going to go to upload our template. In this area, the empty area. I've already done it a few times. Once you've uploaded the file, just fit it into the white area. I already have my book cover made. So I get it out of the upload area in the left. And I just got to kind of play with it till it fits in those pink lines that you see. You might have to play with yours for a little bit. Just make sure everything's in those lines. Okay. Now we're going to pull down the template and click on the white space to the left and go up to get the background color and have it match the document. And then pull it up one more time just to make sure everything fits. And then we can delete the template because we don't need that anymore. We're going to download it. Press the share button on the right. Press the download button. And it should be a PDF print. And we press download again. And now it's ready to upload to KDP. Now you're ready to upload your cover to KDP. As you can see, mine is already here, live on Amazon, in Kindle, and paperback. So I've already done it. So I'm just going to take you in to the content page to show you where you will upload your book cover. There's the ebook content. We're going to go into the paperback. And once we get in there, we'll scroll down. And you have two options to either use Cover Creator through KDP to make your book cover, or to upload your own cover file. So I uploaded my own cover file, so you would press that yellow button. And when your cover is uploaded successfully, then you're going to scroll down and look for the Launch Previewer yellow button. That will take you to a page that tells you if you're in the lines. If you are, you press the yellow button to approve it. If you're not, then you have to do some alterations. But if everything looks good and you're within the lines, you scroll down to the bottom of this page and you press Save and Continue and go to the next page to set your price and publish it on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this was helpful to you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and reach out to me if you have any questions.